Humpday. Um, yeah, I'm already up, dressed. It's 5:39. Can't believe it's Wednesday already. I'm working another long shift. It's okay. It's all good. It's 10:10. I probably won't go outside just because of the weather. Filling up my water bottle. This is my second water bottle filled today. So that's 40 ounces so far. So, of course, I forgot to put something in the crock pot tonight. I was going to cook, but I guess I'll cook it. I'll do it tomorrow. Maybe tonight I should get the crock pot out so I could remember to use it tomorrow. So I'm thinking of something else to fix. I mean, to have for dinner. I have corn dogs. I have chicken vola. I can also go. We have a Domino's across the street. Go across the street to Domino's. Get one of those $7.99 carry out. There's so much option right there. So yeah, 30 almost. Yeah, I work till 6 again. I am. Yeah, we're gonna fix corn dog. We're gonna have corn dogs for dinner tonight. Had a good day so far, I guess. Yeah, I'm a little bit tired tonight. I think after dinner, I might just get my shower. Right now, I'm just waiting for the oven to beep because the best way to have a corn dog is actually from the oven. I'm old-fashioned type. Some things I like in the microwave, some things I don't. And this is one of them I don't like in the microwave. It's corn dogs. I like in the oven better. So, tell me, how many of you like your corn dog in a microwave? That's the key to put the corn dogs in the oven. They'll cook for 20 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 22 minutes, please.
22 minutes, starting
now. I'm going to sit down and just wait until Alexa says corn dogs are ready. I think at the meantime, what I'm going to do take 20 minutes and play some Facebook games. I'll show you what I'm gonna play. I'm playing Simona right here. Simona 2, and you see I'm gonna go around and touch all these, get all the stuff cooked. Then go get some coffee, and then bless you. See how you do that? Oh man. Okay, now I'm gonna get the corn dogs out. I hear them barking. Just kidding. Chris, dinner's done. I think I might have some green salad. I'm going to tell you right now. I have 2 weeks left. I have 2 more. I think first week of April, what I'm going to do is take a break from it. And then maybe. So, we'll see. We'll see when April comes. Like I said, this weekend, I'm going to do a Desert Botanical Garden, but sleep in and then go later. It's a good thing it's 5 minutes away from here. So, I'll talk to you some more later. Corn dogs. I have some chips, macaroni salad, and green jello salad. And I do have salad, regular salad. So, I'm ready to eat. As you can tell, I got my shower. I got my nightshirt on. As you can tell, I'm ready to end the evening. I just want to say I had a good day. At my time, sometimes it was kind of frustrating, but I got through it. Sure helps. It sure helps when you have good co-workers to work with, doesn't it? Well, I'm going to say goodnight from here. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down what you did today. Thank you and good night, and have a wonderful evening, wonderful day tomorrow, and I'll see you later. Good night.